Hello, welcome to a Getting Started video. Today we cover Checkpoint Edge. We'll go over how to access Checkpoint Edge, what information is in it, and different ways to use it for tax research. Let's get started. Go to the Purdue Library's website to locate our A to Z list of databases. Checkpoint Edge is on the list. Checkpoint Edge is a research tool for tax professionals developed by Thomson Reuters, a leading business analytics firm. It offers full-text documentation and analysis of federal, state, and some international taxes. It provides federal and state tax forms and schedules. It also includes tax news from reputable sources. This is the Checkpoint Edge homepage. There are two main ways to obtain the content: a top menu bar and the left side navigation menu. Be forewarned, there are multiple ways to obtain the same content throughout Checkpoint Edge. Let's start with the left side navigation menu. You either click on the individual links, or alternatively, you can simply use the scroll bar to get the same content. The Tools section includes a tax form line finder. The same tax form line finder is also available under Quick Links. The Quick Links section provides a pathway to do targeted searches for commonly used information like IRS publications and other tax documents. The News section allows you to follow current developments. You can also do a more targeted search by clicking on All News. For example, search News Library. For example, state proposed legislation. Let's next look at the top menu bar arranged by broad thematic topic. We'll start with federal tax information. You might want to begin by browsing to determine what kinds of federal tax information are available. Or you can search by topic and receive suggested search terms. We'll search for nonprofit. The results can be filtered by type of information and information source. Let's select a document, which can be printed, downloaded, shared, etc. Returning to the top menu bar, we'll examine state tax information. Indiana. Personal income tax. Rates, regulations, and state cases. Estate tax information is similarly available, as are selected international tax contexts, as well as payroll tax information. That's the gist of this overview of Checkpoint Edge. It's important to conclude by emphasizing that the interface appears to be simple, but can actually take some getting used to. The best way to become familiar with the details and nuances is by spending time on your own, both searching and browsing. Throughout, realize that the content is comprehensive and authoritative. Checkpoint Edge is a treasure trove for tax professionals, but you need to live into it. Now you know how to access Checkpoint Edge, what information is in it, and different ways to use it for tax research. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parrish Library homepage. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at paralib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.